Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Madhu Goyal and today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic and that is the impact of summers on your pregnancy. Yes, you heard it right. The scorching heat can really impact your pregnancy. So what really happens during summers? Now your body is already working overtime to keep you and your baby nourished. Add to it 40-degree temperature that we usually see across northern hemispheres and you will see that your body needs to work harder to keep you cool. In addition, the blood volume in pregnancy increases, making the pregnant women more liable to heat and its side effects. So, we come across a lot of patients who complain of dizziness, dehydration, lack of energy during summers. There are some people who can have heat stroke, exhaustion, and dehydration requiring medical attention. So, here are a few tips to keep you happy during summers. 1. Hydration. It's very important that in summers you stay hydrated. Have at least 10 to 12 glasses of water. Also include natural coolants which are available like buttermilk, lassi, chas, coconut water. They not only keep you hydrated but they also contribute to valuable electrolytes. Coconut water is known to have a good amount of electrolytes, and since we sweat a lot in summers and especially if you are pregnant, the coconut water will help you keep your electrolyte balance. It is also good to avoid cold drinks in pregnancy. Most of the cold drinks have been known to have pesticides which are harmful to both the mother and the baby. Also avoid processed juices because most of these juices have high quantity of sugar and they also have preservatives. So apart from hydration, your diet also needs a little tweak. Now in summers, it's best to avoid a large, heavy, spicy meal and switch to having lighter meals, having more frequent meals. Also add fruits and vegetables which are available in summers. So, summers is a season of nice, delectable mangoes, watermelons, peaches, grapes, and it is a wise decision to include all of them in your diet. They not only add color to your diet, but most of these fruits have a high content of vitamins and minerals. Mangoes also have a high content of fiber in the diet. Watermelon is high in potassium, so it can help you stay away from a lot of complications of dehydration. But remember, mangoes and grapes are also high in sugar. So if you are struggling with weight issue or if you are a diabetic mother, I would suggest that you keep the quantity of both these fruits to a minimum. If you're taking juices, like it's really a fashion to take watermelon juice in pregnancy, remember not to add too much sugar in it. So as long as you are taking adequate precautions with the fruits, it is always good to indulge in the fruits and vegetables that are available in summers. The third thing is clothing. The best tip is to wear light, loose cotton clothes. Synthetic garments not only add heat, but they can also cause rashes to your body. So remember, loose cotton clothes are best in pregnancy. Now, a lot of people ask us, how do we exercise in pregnancy? You have to continue your exercise. So make sure that you do indoor exercises, or if you're a walker, then please walk before the sun actually rises, and that would be early morning, or walk late at nights. It's best to avoid going outdoors between 11 to 3. And if you want to go out during the heat, during summers, then please use pregnancy safe sunscreen. Use a good goggle, protective eyewear which will protect your eyes. Wear open sandals. Do not wear tight closed shoes because it is known that there is some amount of swelling during pregnancy and this can make your shoe tighter than it usually is. Wear flat sandals and carry your water bottle around with you. The other thing is rest. Make sure you have adequate plenty rest and you have your ACs and fans and things on to keep you sufficiently cool. If you have followed all these tips, I am sure you will sail through the pregnancy in summers. If, however, you feel exhausted, you feel dehydrated, or you have any other problem, please do contact your doctor immediately.